guys, I wanted to get on here and do a quick video. It's an unboxing. I ordered something probably like 3 or 4 days ago and it came super fast. I've been expecting this, so let's go ahead. And this baby right here, can anyone guess? Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, for anyone who knows me knows that I'm trying to grow my hair out. I've considered extensions. I have had 4 children and I always go through this phase where I'm like, it's either right before I have the baby or right after is when I want to do a drastic change, and I always end up cutting my hair and I regret it. But anyway, so I'm trying to grow my hair out and I've been wanting to try this product for a while. So I went ahead and did it. I ordered the 3-month supply of the Sugar Bear Hair Vitamin. So the pack that I ordered, it came with 3 of these bottles, and then also it came with a Sugar Bear brush. So cute. Probably the perfect brush to do ASMR video. So yeah, it came with the brush, and then it came with a sample of the women's multivitamins, and they're vegan gummies. It also came with one of these, a sticker that I'm probably gonna put on my laptop because I think it's so cute. And then it came with a keychain. Super cute. Also, last but not least, a Sugar Bear hair, one of these hair bands. I guess you could wear it or whatnot. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the 3-month supply. I purchased these, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna document all of my daily, or I don't know if I'm gonna do, I might record like once a week, like on how my hair is doing, the health of it, while I'm taking these. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see if it actually does something. It just says, on the back, it just has all the supplemental facts, just a ton of biotin, folic acid, and vitamin C. I feel like that's kind of like what's in a prenatal pill, but I don't know. I'll probably compare them because I still have some from when I was, it's like an after you have your baby, they give you these pills to take, you know, just to keep as you're breastfeeding and stuff like that. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start my trial on this for 3 months and see how it goes. And if I like it, I might get more, who knows. And I'm not sure how much it cost. I have the receipt here, but it doesn't give me a price. I know that they have, they normally have like sales going on, and if you go on their website, which I'll probably link down below, they have, it depends on what you're wanting to get, because I know they have just one, and I think it's better to get the like the month supply. They do a 3 and then a 6-month supply. So yeah, I'm gonna document the 3 months that I do this. I'll probably do like I said, a week picture of my hair every week, just to see where it's going and the status of it. So yeah, I'm excited. I just wanted to get on here and do that quick unboxing for you, and I will keep you posted and do like a before and after, and just keep watching my channel, and I will have updates. If you're not, I normally go on my Instagram. I'm on Instagram like all day, every day, either posting or doing stories or whatever. So if you want to follow that, I have my links in the description where you can follow me and contact me or whatnot. So yeah. So like I said, I just want to get on here and do an unboxing. I'm excited. I really love this brush. It's so cute. Yeah, so I'm excited. I just wanted to share this with you guys and let y'all know what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of months. Oh my God, they smell so good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my first picture of my hair. I'm going to take this down. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, this comb. This brush feels so good on my scalp. You can't feel it, but I know you can hear it. Oh my gosh. This is probably what's going to get my hair growing. All the hairbrush. I'm not sure if you can see where my hair is at. I'm not sure if... Yeah. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.